In the last video we were still waiting for a delivery of chain, which never seemed to arrive. We had taken off all of our old chain, taken out the markers, and were ready to fit the new chain. Well, this week it arrives.
So shiny!
Shiny, shiny! The sun's going down, the bitter end is back on again. I've got to go on board now and start pulling that in. I better go and turn the anchor on. Windless. The delivery of the chain gave us just one day to prep the boat and get away while there was a good weather window to get down to Syacuse. And this is a story of that journey, which is full of highs and lows. We saw fantastic sunrises. We also got a visit from these guys. We sailed and motor sailed hard and fast to get down to Syacuse so that we could get back across the Mediterranean to Malta. Enjoy the video, guys.
So shiny!
Shiny, shiny! Trousers falling down. I've lost weight worrying about it. So the sun's going down, the bitter end is back on again. I've got to go on board now and start pulling that in. I better go and turn the anchor on. Windless, see if we can get this on film. Lower it down slowly. No, put it on the floor and let it go slowly. That's all 85 metres in there without it piling up. Look, it's gone lovely. Oh. Right, a little bit out, tiniest amount. Oop, that's the wrong way round.
Put the
yeah, I'll do that in the morning. It's too late now. Beer o'clock. So we intend to do a full technical video on all the aspects of the chain and its performance in the very near future. Stay tuned for that video. Meanwhile, time to say goodbye to Roccella. The marina at Roccella is impeccably maintained. All the pontoons are clean and tidy, all the electrical points work, and the water's good to drink. There's a restaurant which is well furbished. You can eat inside or outside. It really is a fantastic marina, and it's very well priced. Kiddies play area here as well on the way to the offices. Might go and have a go on that later. I thought we'd come over here, just have a look, see what it's like. There's an e-bike charger there. I wonder if it's free. Clearly we're going to do a dry boat stack thing here at some point. boats over the back there, so they must have the depth. Shower block and what have you. Toilets over there. Wind's getting up again. Look at that lot over there. This is the marina from the other side. Here's the kiddies' playground, the picnic area. Toilets and showers over there. Laundry as well. Reasonably priced. Big car park. Right, we've got to go to the office. That's it, we've been sailing for an hour. Well, not sailing, motor sailing. We left the marina at 5:20 local time. The sun's just come up over the horizon. We're heading for Taormina. We're making just over 6 knots, about 3/4 of a knot to a full knot of current against us. That should disappear when we get round the corner. When I say round the corner, I of course mean crossing the Messina Straits. Now, in order for us to get across, we need the best current in our favour and the wind in the same direction. Luckily, we timed it just right once again and ended up in Taormina for the night. To keep the wind and the current in our favour, we needed to average over 6 knots. Luckily, we managed to do that. Got some good numbers coming across there, and of course got into Taormina while it was still light, which is what we wanted. So that was not too shabby. Motor sailing 68.8 miles in 10 hours and 48 minutes. Average speed of 6.4 knots, so we kept over the 6 knots we wanted to. Well, a long day. We were up early and we were to bed early for the next day. Another cold and early start from Taormina. Volcano's smoking, look. We're off to Syacuse. Oh, it's chilly this morning. Lovely sunrise though. Where are you, mate? Right at the front of the boat. These amazing creatures visit us twice. We didn't get the second lot on film as it was only about a minute or so, but it was great being up on the bow, and you can see they were actually looking up at me. Amazing creatures, really are. Amazing creatures. Where have we gone? Oh, that's it, gone. Gone! Just like that. I don't know if you're going to see this, but there's tuna jumping out here. We've just had the dolphins, and there's a rake of tuna jumping out here. And of course, as soon as I turn the camera on, no, there's one. But we think, yeah, you can just see him in shore there. We think the tuna are being chased by the dolphins. There's a tuna, a big one. Just came up. Another one a bit further in. That's it. There were tuna literally jumping 3 feet out the water. Big ones, I'd say 1.5 meters long. Dolphins are. Got a lure out the back. Yeah, no, there's more. Oh, shush. So that was quite a good run too, from Taormina to Syacuse. 47.7 miles, 7 hours and 35 minutes, an average of 6.3. We managed to get quite a good sailing a couple of times when the dolphins weren't there. Again, we hit the hay early, but during the night a storm came up and turned us 180 degrees. It was quite violent. You can see from the screenshot from Windy there was a lot of lightning, but more about that next week. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time guys, wear that kill cord and sail safe.